How to fix 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To fix the 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome, it is quite simple. So basically what you need to do is firstly you can check out your phone settings. In the phone settings, scroll down until you see the apps option and click on it. Move on to all apps. Now from here, tap on the search icon to search for your Google Chrome. Over here, tap on the 4-star button and OK. Then head over to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. Once you do this, the bug or the glitch issue causing the problem will be solved. This issue still persists due to the unstable Wi-Fi connection. In that case, you can check for your Wi-Fi connectivity, and if it is still lagging, switch into a better Wi-Fi connection or a cellular data. Once you do this, you can check out your Chrome once again. One thing to remember is if you are a VPN user, make sure to disable it ASAP, as that might be the reason why you are getting such errors. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.